Hey guys, Spac Daddy Doug here, and today I'm going to talk about the long-awaited CCH and UTZ merger, which will be happening on August 27th. And I know if you've been a follower of this channel, you know how much I love this SPAC. It's actually my favorite SPAC out there, and it is guaranteed to be a winner. Today, August 26th, is actually the last day you can completely trade on this stock. The shareholder meeting is tomorrow morning, August 27th at 9 a.m. So today is the last full day of trading. Tomorrow, the meeting's at 9 a.m. And as soon as that meeting is completed and everyone is voted and it's approved, ticker symbol CCH will cease to exist trading. And then they're going to move over to, it's going to be officially called UTZ Brand Holdings under ticker symbol UTZ. And then when that happens, typically they have to file with the New York Stock Exchange, and it might take a day or two for that official transaction to be going through. Nobody has that answer. Nobody has that actual number for when it's going to happen. But based on my historical knowledge, it probably will start trading on the morning of August 28th. If there are any issues or delays, it'll probably be pushed back to Monday. But let's talk about the stock. It broke the barriers yesterday. It was always at $14. It felt like it was forever. It was months. And it finally went up past $15. There's no doubt that people are expecting this to be a $17 to $20 stock in a very short term. And projections are very high afterwards. It's also a dividend stock, so ETFs that trade dividends will surely pick this up, which will increase the value of the stock. So I just wanted to keep that nice and short, give you guys that type of information because it's very important. On the screen right here, I'm going to show you if you want to call into that meeting on August 27th at 9 a.m. You can listen to the details. And I'm not going to go into any specific details because if you know how much I like this stock, I have plenty of videos on this if you want more information. I'm going to share a few slides that were just recently published by the Collier Creek Holdings and UTZ for the transaction back on August 19th through the SEC. And just you can freeze these slides. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on them and go through them, but the slide right here kind of shows you how the UTZ is a perfect business combination for them. This next slide right here just shows their revenue growth, and apparently they have over 50 years of revenue growth. The next slide over here shows why CCH is excited for the opportunity. It's an iconic brand, growth snack category, 11.6 times valuation, which is actually a 2.2 times discount against their peer average. After this transaction, part of the plan is to reduce costs and enhance the margins. Definitely good for the shareholders. They're going to accelerate their power brands. And this next one right here is they're going to continue their geographic expansion. So I know people in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic of the United States know this company very well. A few of the products you can get at Costco, Walmart throughout nationally, but part of their plan is to really grow out this their brand across the United States. This is really a power brand coming from where I am. There's no difference between UTZ and Frito-Lay and Doritos and all the other snacks out there. So you can get them at all the convenience stores and the grocery stores, and they're awesome food if you've never had it. And they're also expected to have 8% year-over-year growth. I think we saw another slide that kind of depicted that too. And a key area that they're going to be focusing their capital is for the stock is business growth for more M&A. They're going to be purchasing probably more snack companies out there. They're going to have a debt reduction, dividend increase, which is great. So this stock, I think, is going to give a 2% dividend kind of right off the bat, which is like unheard of for a SPAC, just because it's such a historic company that they have proven revenue, which is really different from other SPACs that we've seen come out this year. And of course, share buyback. So awesome for us as they buy back shares. Of course, it gets more valuable over time. Personally, I am a true believer in this stock. You would laugh at me. I'm going to disclose I do have a lot of money in this just because I am a believer of this. And I'm in it for the short-term game. And then after that short-term game, I'm going to probably take a little profit there, move some of my money over to other SPACs like Helion Trucks probably afterwards. But I'm definitely going to be keeping a large chunk in it just because it's going to grow continually after this merger on the 27th. So we're expected by tomorrow, actually the 27th, you'll probably be able to trade till it happens. So whatever time they finish that vote, so it could be 9:33 you could trade till, or 11 o'clock a.m. But the last trades will probably be in the early morning hours of August 27th, which the stock will significantly be up. But that's all I have to say. So good luck trading. Hopefully you guys get a good price for this. It's surely going to be some money. If you do have more questions about the brand, the management, anything else, I do have several videos on there. Actually, my first YouTube video on this channel was about CCH and the brand itself. It's a really good video, kind of kicked off my channel here. So take a look at that. There's a lot of good information. But it's a sure bet. Hands down, I have my word on it. Probably the only SPAC I'll probably ever put my official SPAC Daddy Doug seal of approval on. That's 100% going to be up. So that's it. Good luck trading. Hopefully you guys all make a lot of money.